Think your GHG inventory is bulletproof? Think again. The five mistakes you are silently undermining your ESG credibility and you might already be guilty. Mistake number one, blending scope 1, 2, and 3 data like they are interchangeable. They are not. Direct emission, purchase emission, and supply chain impacts each tell a different story. Mix them and your data becomes useless. Mistake two, double counting emission, shared logistic, joint venture. And if you are not careful, you'll claim the same tons of carbon dioxide twice and your auditor will catch you. Mistake three, ignoring fugitive emission, refrigerant leaks, methane slips. These invisible offenders can spike your footprint overnight. Out of sight shouldn't mean out of mind. Mistake four, sticking to an outdated base year, merger acquisitions, or even major efficiency upgrade. Your baseline must evolve, or your progress claims are fiction. Mistake five, using generic emission factors, electricity in Germany versus India, shipping by rail versus air. Do you think they are same? Get the number wrong, and your entire inventory is a house of cards and it will collapse. The cost, more than reputational damage, is fine and lost investor and wasted sustainability budget. In today's climate, bad data isn't just embarrassing, it's expensive. The good news is these mistakes are 100% avoidable. Join our 2-day GHG workshop and learn how to build an audit proof inventory with an Excel template, real world case study, and answer to your toughest question just for 59 rupees only. Seats are limited. Secure your seat now.